So it's 2:07 a.m. and I woke up because I saw this cockroach inside my mosquito net. This is crazy. Look at that. It's actually bite me. That's the reason I woke up. So now I don't know what to do. But I am going to kill this cockroach. It's crazy. Because of this cockroach, I woke up. So I'm really gonna kill this cockroach.